Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, back with another video. You know how we get down, people. Alright, let's get to a different level. Alright, you gotta get a different level and different understanding of everything that we're doing on an every single day basis. I'm telling you, people, every single day, all we do is grind. All we do is kick, push, scratch, claw, and try to get closer to our dreams. Whatever your dream is, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to pursue, whatever you want to start, gotta put some money in. All right, there's gonna be a pay viewpoints full breakdown tutorial. We're about to go on a Christmas run. All right, about to go on a Christmas run. Birthday on Friday, birthday week. All right, people. So I'm trying to really like stop playing and like push the envelope, but you can't rush. You gotta still be patient, right? You gotta still be patient. Gotta still take your steps, but you gotta still try to take massive leaps while you taking these baby steps. All right, like I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but in a way you kind of gotta move fast, but not in a hurry. You know what I'm saying? So we're just grinding, people. We're just grinding. We're moving all over the place. On an every single day basis. You see, I got all my sites opened up here, but we're gonna just focus on pay viewpoints on this one. All right. So you see, I got $25.92. All right. So pay viewpoints, people. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like I don't understand. Like this is my second slow. I thought it was my first slowest. Is my second slowest account. Second out of all the accounts that I use, it's my second slowest money maker. All right. You could just use this for like whatever you want, like just little by little. This is a little drip of income, people. Like little drip, like hardly nothing, but you just continue putting it to the side over and over and over. I got an eyelash in mine. You continue putting it in an account over and over and actually use it for something of importance, it will matter. Like you're looking at this $25.92, like whatever. Yeah, but it depends how I use this. You see what I'm saying? Am I gonna use this $25 to turn it into $50, $75? Am I just gonna save it? Am I just gonna buy groceries and be done? Am I just gonna put gas in the car and just be done? You see what I'm saying? So you have to understand why, like, what are we using it for? 9 times out of 10, I'm trying to use this to try to get more. So I might use this to run some ads. I might use this to put on my sports book. I might use this to go buy some equipment that I need for my landscaping business, right? So I might use that 25, but guess what? If I don't have anything to use this for as importance, I'm just gonna leave it there until I get more, until it gets to $50. Then I'm gonna be like, all right, what am I gonna do now? See what I'm saying? So you cannot make an excuse, people. Like the income is here. The only thing is you can't be in a rush. Like you wanna, while you're learning the faster ways to earn money online, while you're learning bigger and better ways, you still want to earn this little drip while you know what I'm saying? Like while you're learning about how to make $300 a day, $500 a day every single day, right? You can still earn $5, $10 a day, $15 a day, $20 a day, while you're still learning the other. You see what I'm saying? So now you still have income coming in. So now when you get to that next level, you got some income already. You know what I'm saying? So it's just different levels on how you want to take it. All right. So it's payviewpoints.com. This is literally my number one favorite site. Number one favorite site. Why? Is because the way it works and the way it moves, it's so smooth. You never have to look for surveys, right? Like you never have to look for the money. You understand? That's the pros and the cons with pay viewpoints, right? The pros is you never have to search for a survey. They're gonna send you the surveys, people. They're gonna just send you the survey. They're gonna literally like this. Look. You know what this means when when it says you have 2 more surveys here? You have money here. I don't know why they should just do this over. Like honestly, pay viewpoints. I know you probably guys, somebody probably watching this video. You guys should just put you have money here. Because some people don't understand. This is exactly what that means. Literally, you have money here. That's what that means. So on an every single day basis, every single day I get a message that says, you have money here. I don't even see that this says 2 surveys right here. I see that this has money. Why do you think it's highlighted in green? You understand, people? Why do you think this is in green? Like I'm trying to really help you guys, but you're not understanding. Just because you do the survey and you'll make like 5 cents or 8 cents or 10 cents, you're like, oh, this is stupid. All right. But guess what? You should say you got mouths to feed, you got things to do, and let's go here to my earnings. Alright, this is the same way I used to think, people. I used to use pay viewpoints for like 6 months. I was getting nowhere. Small surveys, not amounting to anything. I'm like, man, forget this. This is dumb. One of my online team members hit me up. Say, yo, look at my numbers on PayViewpoint. I said, what? I said, how you do that so fast? He said, yo, I just use it every single day. And then once I got to 10,000, it just started getting crazy. It just started getting so consistent. And I'm like, what? So then I'm like, hold on. So I check my trade score. I'm like at 4,000. I'm nowhere near at 10,000. And I'm over here complaining. And PayViewpoint tells you that. Get to 10,000, you're going to get a higher paid service. Right? So I put the work in now. Look, $736, 100% free. Like, you got to understand, people. Like, it's up to you. 181 to date. I'm not, with this money right here, ain't nobody, we're not trying to get rich. But this is a drip. This is a stream of income. It's it's $181 I didn't have. You know what I'm saying? That just came to me. So if somebody's giving you, what is this? What does this come out to in 9 months? $20 a month? Somebody's giving you $20 a month every month. You're going to say, no? I don't want it. No, keep it. I don't want it. Every first of the month, somebody giving you $20. That's what this basically means. You have to look at numbers differently, people. You can't look at numbers what you think you're looking at. Oh, this is $25. What I'm going to do with this? You can't look at that. You can't look at, oh, you only made $181 in 9 months. You can't look at that. You can't look at, oh, 736 earnings. That's lifetime earnings. That's it. One day this is going to be if PayViewpoint stays a company and does not ever come offline, one day this is going to be $7,000. It might be 2 years, might be 5 years, might be 6 years, might be 10 years. Might be 10 years from now. But one day this is going to say $7,000. What you going to say? No, don't give me $7,000 over time. Like, you got to get smarter, people, on what you're doing. You got to get smarter. You got to stop playing with money, people. Like, you know what I'm saying? The thing is, certain people, if you don't know about it, it's different. But if you know about it and you're still like, no, I don't care about this, I don't care about this, that's fine. As long as you have something else going, that's great. But I make my channel for people that don't have nothing going. People that are skeptic, like, oh, you can't make money online. Oh, this is a scam, or this is hard to do, or this is, bro, like, you just put the work in. Little by little, take your time, put the work in. Just like everything else. You want to earn some income on the side every single day, from home, from your phone, wherever you want to be at. Now watch my tutorials. Learn how to do what I do. Learn how to do what I do. All right, people, so $25 right here. Let's bang out a survey real quick. Now, on PayViewpoints, you cash out at $15. All right, when you get $15, you get the cash out. All right, $15, you get the cash out. So every time you get $15 cash out, I'm late. I'm supposed to cash out $10 ago. See what I'm saying? I told myself every time I get the 15, I'm taking it out. But right now, what we're about to do is the Christmas countdown. So what I'm doing is I'm cashing out. I'm gonna cash out right now, and I'm not cashing out no more after that. All right, I'm not cashing out no more after that. All right, so I got a couple things to do, so I'm not gonna be able to do these surveys right now. All right, but like I said, watch my other videos. I do surveys. I got videos. I do an hour video, half an hour video where I'm showing you everything. So watch those videos to show you the exact way I do the surveys. All right, and I give you different tips on there. All right, different tips is like if you're recording yourself. You can't, certain surveys, they'll tell you when you can't record anymore. So you have to understand that. If the survey says you can't record anymore, don't record and then post that later or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand when to record, when not to record. Like I said, watch my other videos. I got things on there. All right, so let's go back to the homepage real quick. And the reason why you want to do this too, sometimes you might want to cash out whatever you have here. Let's say if you have $15 plus, you want to cash that out and leave your surveys here, because once you cash this out, you're going to go to zero. So there is no number, custom number. The minute you cash out with PayViewpoints, you're cashing out your whole balance. All right? So just remember that. When you're cashing out with PayViewpoints, you're cashing out your whole balance. All right? So you cash out. So one day, go watch my other video. I think I got one of the highest cash outs that's online. I ain't seen nobody else with a high cash out like that online. They had $200-something cash out online. With PayViewpoints, and I cash it out one time. When you cash it out one time, it comes in your account one time. It goes right down to zero. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cash this out. Let's cash this out right now, real quick. Go to your earnings right there. $25.92, $181, $736 lifetime. People, one day this is gonna be $7,000. $7,000. One day I'm gonna get this to $1,000 a year. I'm gonna get it there. You see what I'm saying, people? Like, you have to understand, like, little by little, I'm learning. I know what I'm doing. right? And I kind of could do these things now. It's just that you have to put money into to do these things. You have to put money into it to get the money back out later. You see what I'm saying? So right now I'm not at that level to be putting a lot of money into my free sites right now. All right, so I just go off of word of mouth and just helping people and stuff like that. But later on, when I started leveling up, I got different other companies and other things that I got going on. Once I get money off them, I pour into my different sites. So I got videos where I show you, I teach you about all that. I'm gonna have videos that I'm gonna show you about all that. So right here, let's cash this out. Now, when you cash out, you can cash out PayPal, you can cash out Amazon, cash out Walmart. Like, what more do you want, right? Like, literally, probably like 33%, right? 33% people be using PayPal in the world. 33% use Amazon, right? Like, this is big time companies right here, all right? So me, you know me, I cash out via PayPal. You know me, people. All right, so I'm gonna cash out this 25 via PayPal. Later on, when I come back home after work, I'm gonna bang out these 2 surveys. All right, so now I do those 2 surveys. It's gonna add points to my earnings, right? So it's gonna start the number back up. It's gonna be at 0. All right, once you get your trade score to 10,000, that's when you're gonna get higher paid surveys. All right, you're gonna get low paying surveys for all the way until you get to 10,000. And even when you get to first get to 10,000, it still might be low. Right? You gotta just keep going, keep going. I'm telling you, people. I've done $5 surveys. I've done $6 surveys. I've done $3 surveys on here. Watch my videos. I've done them. I show proof, facts, results, everything. All right. So it's on an every single day basis. So let's get into this cash out right here. I usually do PayPal. Like I said, if you want to do Amazon, you can. If you want to do Walmart, you can. But I usually do PayPal. So we're gonna just dive into this PayPal cash out right now. All you gotta do is go here, cash out now via PayPal. Usually when you do that, it's automatic, people. I told you, it goes right down to 0. The piggy bank's cracked, shows you the coins and anything. All right, the money's there. 25. What was that? 25.92, I think. 25.90. That's $25. I just put $25. So $25 plus cash out. All right. Pay view points. Look at the numbers, people. Numbers don't lie. Like, just take your time. It's a slow account. I use this for a savings account. Just use this as a free savings account. Just do the surveys. You're going to get like 5 cents, 4 cents a survey, 8 cents a survey, 3 cents a survey, right? That's what you're going to get. So what? Just do it. It's going to start adding up, adding up, adding up, adding up. Next thing you know, the more that you do, they're going to see, okay, this person's into it. Let's send them more. Let's send this person more. Oh, this person is it. Let's send them more. Let's send them more. Let's send them more. They're going to start sending you more. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Every time I do these videos, people, watch my videos. Every single day I log in, it says this survey's waiting. I'm mad at myself because sometimes I don't get to do it. Like right now, I shouldn't even be talking. Like I'm blabbing too much. You know what I'm saying? I should just literally turn this video off and do these surveys. It's money right here, people. What the surveys is, you have to do them immediately. You have to do it immediately. All right? Like I tell you, people, watch my videos. I give you tips, tricks, and everything that you need to know about each site that I show you. Pay viewpoints. When they send surveys available, you have to do them. Why? They send these surveys out to the members, to all the members, right? If the members do them first, whichever members do them first, they're gone. So I could be talking, and then this will go down to 1. And I'd be like, oh, somebody just did my survey. Because it's mine. I could have did it. So that's your money. That's why I said every day you just want to come in and just log in and just check. And once you sign in on your phone, use my link in the description. You get a bonus. Once you sign up, you're gonna see that. Once you sign up, you're gonna see that. It's gonna give you an icon. So all you gotta do is hit it. Once you hit it, it's just gonna come up. There's gonna be an icon on your phone. So once you hit it, it's not an app or nothing. It's just an icon. It takes you right to the site. So once you hit it, it's gonna appear. Boom. It's gonna show up. It's gonna look just like this. And it's gonna tell you have surveys waiting. As soon as it say you have surveys waiting, bang them out. Finish them quick, easy, fast. I'm telling you, people, on an every single day basis, this is what you want to do. You want to grind, you want to kick, you want to scratch, you want to push, all right? You want to start grinding every single day and start really, really, really earning this free income I'm showing you how to make, all right? Get to 10,000 trade score. That's when they're going to send you a lot. Every time it says surveys waiting here, it basically says you have money here. So get this money, people. Do these surveys. It's going to be low money at first. It's one of my slowest money makers, but it's my favorite because it's always fast. It's always easy. You never get disqualified surveys. All right? If there's a survey there, you do it on time before another member do it, you're automatically going to get money for it, whether you complete the whole thing or not. Free online money maker. Do what you gotta do on your spare time. Pay viewpoints. $25 cash out. 10,000 trade score. Get this money,